Hey everybody, TV here, and welcome to a brand new series that me and somebody else look on DeviantArt. Yep, DeviantArt. But I'm not alone. I am with Sonic.EXE. Well, hello everyone. My name's Sonic.EXE. And we already know who you are. But anyways, do you want to get some stuff done? Yes. Let's start off with me. Okay then. Sonic.exe is already in. So we're gonna go to Develations. Let's go here. I'm ready. Oh. Actually, let's do this. Because, oh, shoot. That looks really amazing. I mean, look at that. I know. What's this? Oh, demonetized. Demonetized. Let's get back. Yeah, we don't want to see that. Oh, Sonic.exe. Oh man, I love this Monica.exe. Yeah, what is this? What is this? It's Eggman. That's just so hilarious. Okay, one question. Why are you and, Tails all near each other? I don't know. Maybe we're just like the same guy. Yeah, probably. But what else is there? I don't know, but... Oh. No. Get away from me. Get away. Fleexe Sonic. Oh! That's a pretty cool edit right there. In the new, Sonic movie. I wish that was actually kind of weird. Yeah, I wish, but it did not. But that's pretty good a design for the movie. Yeah, I like it. But the person who made that art, how do you sleep at night? I'm coming for you. Yeah, he's coming for you. What else? Oh, shoot! It's you with Markiplier! It's you with Markiplier. I don't mind with Markiplier. He's kind of one of my favorite guys. Really? Well. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. That was me and Amy. What the heck? Okay, let's try to search up something else. Yeah. What do you think? How about you? I have an idea. Oh, no. I'm scared. No, I'm not gonna be part of this. Well, that's too bad. Oh, shoot. My goodness. What is all this? I don't know, but it looks kind of hilarious. What? Num. It's the Sonic and Shadow. And also a little Maria right there. That's pretty cute. Maria's really cute. Yeah, I wish I could take her so seriously. Well, hold on. There's only one thing I know. I don't know. What are you doing? Look. No, I'm not gonna be part of this. Fleexe Sonic and Sonic.exe. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Looks like nothing came up. Oh, I didn't put the T in. Ah, there it is. No. Get that away. Cut the cameras. Well, that that is going to be me and Sonic.EXE looking at DeviantArt. Yep. So, if you guys want more videos of me, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Yeah, none of them will hit the like button for you. Well, if they don't, I'm coming after them. Well, see you guys next time. Bye. See you along.